Here, this is pretty much the home screen of the application. Very easy to use. I'm going to show you guys how. So first off, you're going to tap on the connection button here. You won't be able to select any servers or anything like that. Just going to pretty much go ahead and tap on the connection button, and you're good to go. As you can see here, I'm already connected, and all of the do just pretty much X off these ads, and I'm good to go. So I'm going to stop X off this ad here. As you can see here, this is pretty much how much connection time I got like 1 hour of connection time. Like other VPNs, you get like 3 minutes of connection time. This one here, you get 1 hour connection time, and you'll be able to add even more connection time as well, as you can see here. But if you don't want to do that right now, you can just tap on the X here. You might not be able to see it, but you can look at the top and pretty much find the little X there.
Does Stash really pick your stocks?
So you may encounter a few ads when navigating to the application. All you have to do is pretty much go ahead and just X off a few. As you can see here, you see an X at the top here. Just tap on X and you're pretty much good to go. Very easy VPN application to use. You do have 2 options where you can add 90 minutes, you can add 120 minutes. As you can see here, all of there is pretty much watch an ad, and you'll be given the added time. So you won't be able to select any server or anything like that. Just a very simple and basic VPN to use. But yeah, give it a try. Let me know in the comment section what's your thoughts on this VPN application here. And if you have any problems at all, just let me know in the comment section as well. See you guys in the next one.